Today we will learn the chain stitch. Hi everyone, my name is Vesna and this is my embroidery and DIY channel. If you would like to see more content from me, please like and subscribe to my channel. I upload new video every Saturday. Welcome! I marked my line with dots so it will be easier for me to show you. First you bring out the needle from the back side of the fabric. And then you will take the needle down into the fabric into the same hole that you came out of, and I will insert my needle into the next dot that I have marked. I will leave a little bit of thread under the needle and I will pull my thread forward. Okay, here is some little thread that I need to remove. Then I put the needle down inside my previous stitch and I come out inside the loop on my working thread, and again I pull my needle forward. You need to be very gentle, and if some thread tangles, then you need to slowly correct it with your needle. This is called the sew method of the working the chain stitch. And now we just continue with our process until we reach our last hole, where I will show you how you finish it off. Once again you insert your needle inside your previous stitch and then you put the thread under your needle and pull it forward gently so that the thread doesn't tangle. We then just finish it off with the last stitch that is in front of our chain stitch. And now just to finish off, like this, our chain stitch is complete. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!